Hi, it's me, Rebecca again. I'm not going to wrap for you this time. I'm going to show you a different kind of wrap. Going to teach you how to wrap a bottle with a balloon. First, you need to find a bottle that you like. I happen to choose this bottle because I like the blue color. And if you see, it does show through the balloon, especially if a light is shining on it. It's a really pretty color behind it. You can soak the bottle in water. I use hot soapy water to get the labels off, and then they peel off really easy. And then I just used a light Brillo pad and scrubbed all the sticky parts off of it. Another thing you need is a balloon. They have these at Party City, and it just has a little bit of a detail on it. The rest of it is clear, especially when you stretch it out. You need to stay away from any balloons that would have writing on it because the writing would show up upside down on the bottle, and I'll show you why in just a little bit. There are some things that can happen, some problems when you are doing this. You do need to cut a little hole at the bottom, and you need to be very careful when you're putting the balloon on the bottle because otherwise that hole turns into a big hole and it does not cover the bottom and it just keeps slipping up. So just beware of that when you do it. So you're going to take your balloon, take a pair of scissors. At the bottom there's a little bump. At that part you're going to just make a little slice in it. Sometimes you need to make it a little bit bigger. Sometimes you'll have to do it a couple times just to gauge when you first start. I've ripped a few balloons doing this, so buy extras. And you just stick your fingers in the bottom of the balloon and then spread downwards to where your mouth would typically go. Put it on the top of the bottle and pull it down over the neck. Once you do that, you can pull the balloon up like this so you can reach underneath the underneath the balloon once more. And you stick your fingers under it and continue to pull it down as evenly as possible till you get about halfway down the balloon. Once you get halfway down, as you can tell, it has a little hole in it, but that's okay for the demonstration. Like I told you, sometimes you have to do it a few times. And you continue to pull the balloon down to the bottom. I will show you again. This does look kind of interesting because you can see the blue through it. So you can still use that as a vase at the end. I do have one more balloon so I can show you the technique again. Again, you start with your fingers at the bottom. Pull up towards the top where you would blow into the balloon. And then pull it down. Try and stay even. As you go down the balloon, down the bottle, make sure you're pulling on both sides as you go down, and just kind of shimmy the balloon down the bottom, pulling it with your fingers as you go. You might have to do a little bit of pulling up at the top once you're finished. And just straighten it all out. And that is how you wrap the bottle in a balloon. And then you can take a flower, any kind of your choice, put it in the top of the bottle, and there you have a vase that you can put out for decoration or you can have it sitting. I have mine sitting in a window, so when the sun comes through, you can see the blue showing through the bottle. That was